Hi everyone! Nagluluto ako ngayon ng arroz caldo. Arroz caldo with turmeric powder. Kasi both kaming may sakit. And this is good for those who are not feeling well. Unfortunately, hindi ko na videohan yung first step. So, sasabihin ko na lang, okay? What I did was, I boiled some eggs, and nung naluto na siya, I set it aside. Binalatan and set aside, yun. So, in a cooking pot, yung mainit na, nilagay ko yung oil, at nagsaute ako ng garlic. Yung normal na ng pagsasaute, nung na golden brown na yung garlic, nilagay ko yung onions. Nung bumangon na at naging translucent, nilagay ko na yung ginger. After the ginger, I added the chicken. At nung na golden brown na yung chicken, I added the salt, the pepper, at saka the turmeric powder. Then after that, I added some water. So yung nag-boil na yung water, I added the rice. Yung rice, kailangan mo ring hugasan bago mo ilagay sa kumukulong tubig na with chicken na. And then, nilagyan ko ng Knorr chicken cubes. Isang Knorr chicken cubes. After that, nilagyan ko ng soy sauce. Ay, not soy sauce pala. It's fish sauce. Yung patis, hindi toyo, patis pala. And then, I added the boiled eggs. So, it's up to you kung, depende sa panlasa mo kung anong timpla mo. Salt, yung pepper, kung ilan ang quantity. And then, if you think that you need to add some more water, then you may do so. Tsaka, gusto ko kasi sa arroz caldo yung parang nag-broken na yung rice. Yung talagang, talaga. Lutong-luto na. Hinihintay ko pa to. So, kung maluto na to, isi-serve ko siya with spring onions as topping. Or, you can also add fried garlic if you have. Parang meron ako dyan. So, this is it. Malapit na maluto yung arroz caldo. And thank you for watching. Till next time.